Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is way. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读. So you see, I read 2 pin here. So actually, it's just a tone difference. So we know it's actually just the final way. And the first pronunciation is second tone. So we do way, go up, way. Go up, way. And the second pronunciation is first tone, we go down. Way. So way or way. This character have 2 pronunciations. So now let's write it. 我们一起写。点撇横折钩点 way or way. Since have 2 pronunciation, so every pronunciation have their own meaning. When this one we pronounce way, it means as. So as a teacher, 作为一名老师 or can be a verb means actor as. Try your best. 尽力而为 So this way it means act as. The third meaning of way is become. 一分为二 divide into 2 parts. 一分为二 So it means all about way. Now let's talking about the pronunciation way. First one, way. So when means way, it means for or in order to. We use way somebody or something do something. For example, 为我煮饭 cook for me. So last video we talking about the words 为了. It also means in order to, for. What's the difference with 为 and 为了? So let's talking about this part. So when we use 为somebody or something, somebody and something is let's get the benefit. 为我煮饭 I got the benefit. 为 HSK3 got the benefit. But when we say 为了 it's pronounced and go. So this is your target, but 为后面跟的是 somebody, something. This is it. Get the benefit. So this is the difference with 为了 and 为. 为 follow the things who got the benefit, and 为了 is your and go. But 为 and 为了 both can use in this pattern. 为 or 为了 plus reason 加 verb. So 为 and 为了 both can follow the reason to do something. 为 or 为了加 reason to do something. 为了身体健康 for health 我每天跑步 or we can say 为身体健康我每天跑步 So 身体健康 is a reason for you why you do this action. That is all about 为 and 为了. If you liked this video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.